Summer's secret weapon, unveiling raspberry seed oil. Summer is a time for fun in the sun, but it can also take a toll on our skin. Protecting your skin during these warmer months is crucial, and that's where raspberry seed oil comes in. This natural oil, derived from the seeds of raspberries, is a summer skincare powerhouse. Raspberry seed oil is lightweight and easily absorbed, making it an excellent choice for all skin types. Its natural properties provide a protective barrier against environmental stressors while nourishing and hydrating the skin. Whether you're dealing with dryness, sun damage, or simply want to enhance your natural glow, raspberry seed oil can be your secret weapon. Get ready to embrace the power of nature and unlock the secret to radiant, healthy summer skin with raspberry seed oil. Nature's sunscreen, shielding your skin naturally. Raspberry seed oil has a natural ability to protect the skin from the sun's harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. While it's not a substitute for sunscreen, it contains UV-absorbing compounds that provide a natural SPF boost. Studies have shown that raspberry seed oil possesses an SPF value ranging from 28 to 50. This natural SPF protection makes it an excellent addition to your summer skincare routine. For optimal protection, apply raspberry seed oil underneath your regular sunscreen. Its lightweight texture allows for easy layering without clogging pores or leaving a greasy residue. By incorporating raspberry seed oil into your sun protection regimen, you can enhance your skin's natural defenses against UV damage. Antioxidant powerhouse, combating summer skin stressors. Summer's environmental aggressors, such as UV radiation, pollution, and heat, can wreak havoc on our skin. Raspberry seed oil is a potent antioxidant powerhouse, packed with vitamins A, C, and E. These antioxidants work synergistically to neutralize free radicals, protecting the skin from oxidative damage. Vitamin A helps to repair and regenerate skin cells, while vitamin C aids in collagen production. Vitamin E protects cell membranes from damage caused by free radicals. By incorporating raspberry seed oil into your skincare routine, you can effectively combat the damaging effects of summer stressors. Hydration hero, quenching thirsty summer skin. Summer heat and humidity can strip our skin of its natural moisture. Raspberry seed oil, with its exceptional moisturizing properties, provides deep hydration. Its rich content of essential fatty acids, including linoleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid, plays a crucial role in maintaining skin hydration. These essential fatty acids are vital components of the skin's lipid barrier, preventing moisture loss. Raspberry seed oil's lightweight texture allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin, delivering essential moisture and nutrients. By replenishing the skin's natural moisture barrier, raspberry seed oil helps to maintain optimal hydration levels. A boon for sensitive souls, gentle yet effective care. Sensitive skin requires special attention, especially during the summer months. Raspberry seed oil, with its gentle and non-irritating nature, is an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe and calm irritated skin. The oil's high concentration of linoleic acid plays a crucial role in maintaining the skin's barrier function. By strengthening the skin barrier, raspberry seed oil helps to reduce sensitivity and reactivity. Furthermore, raspberry seed oil is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. Its lightweight texture allows for easy absorption without leaving a greasy residue. Taming the oily surge, balancing skin's natural oils. Summer heat and humidity can trigger an increase in oil production. Raspberry seed oil can be beneficial for oily skin types as well. Its unique composition helps to regulate sebum production, keeping excess oil at bay. Raspberry seed oil contains astringent properties that help to tighten pores and reduce oil production. It also possesses antimicrobial properties that can help to control the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Its lightweight texture allows it to absorb quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. By balancing sebum production and providing lightweight hydration, raspberry seed oil can help to keep oily skin in check. Age-defying elixir, turning back the clock on summer skin. Sun exposure is a leading cause of premature aging. Raspberry seed oil, with its potent antioxidant and cell-regenerating properties, can help to combat these visible signs of aging. Its high concentration of vitamin E plays a crucial role in protecting the skin from free radical damage. By protecting collagen fibers, vitamin E helps to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Raspberry seed oil contains ellagic acid, a potent antioxidant that inhibits the breakdown of collagen and elastin. Ellagic acid also helps to reduce inflammation and redness, improving skin tone and texture. By incorporating raspberry seed oil into your skincare routine, you can effectively combat the visible signs of aging. Integrating raspberry seed oil into your routine, a step-by-step guide. Integrating raspberry seed oil into your skincare routine is simple and versatile. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you maximize its benefits. First, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Second, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH level. Third, gently massage a few drops of raspberry seed oil onto your face and neck using upward circular motions. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed. Fourth, if you're using raspberry seed oil as a standalone moisturizer, you can skip this step. However, if you prefer a richer moisturizer, apply it after the oil has been absorbed. Fifth, during the day, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Raspberry seed oil can also be used as a spot treatment for dry patches, acne scars, or areas with hyperpigmentation. For best results, use raspberry seed oil consistently morning and night. Choosing the right oil, ensuring quality and purity. Not all raspberry seed oils are created equal. To reap the full benefits, it's crucial to choose a high-quality, pure, and organic oil. Opt for cold-pressed, unrefined raspberry seed oil. Cold pressing ensures that the oil retains its maximum nutrient content. Look for raspberry seed oil that is certified organic by a reputable organization. Choose a product that comes in a dark glass bottle to protect it from oxidation and degradation. By choosing a high-quality raspberry seed oil, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of this natural skincare gem. Listen to your skin patch testing for optimal results. While raspberry seed oil is generally safe, it's always a good idea to perform a patch test before incorporating it into your skincare routine. Apply a small amount of raspberry seed oil to a small area of skin on your inner arm or behind your ear. Leave it on for 24 hours and observe for any signs of irritation. If no irritation occurs, it's generally safe to incorporate raspberry seed oil into your skincare routine. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed, paying close attention to how your skin reacts. Embrace the Glow Raspberry Seed Oil for radiant summer skin. Raspberry seed oil is a true summer skincare superhero, offering a myriad of benefits. Its natural SPF properties, potent antioxidant profile, exceptional moisturizing abilities, and gentle nature make it an ideal choice for all skin types. By incorporating this skincare gem into your daily regimen, you can unlock the secret to radiant, healthy, and protected summer skin. Remember to choose a high-quality, pure, and organic raspberry seed oil, perform a patch test before use, and listen to your skin's needs. With consistent use and proper care, raspberry seed oil can help you embrace the summer with confidence, knowing that your skin is healthy, protected, and glowing from within.